Your digestion at home? Okay, let's get into it. Okay, Israel once again from Injibs Cosmetics, hoping that you stay tuned to my beauty tips today. Now I'm going to tell you a few things that can help you improve your digestion at home. You can actually use several things like herbs and other stuff that you can find in your kitchen. But first, for now, I'm going to tell you a few things that really very good at improving your digestion at home, and things that can be found in your kitchen. First of all, what actually causes digestion problems or digestion issues? Okay, one of the things that causes that is dehydration and several other things, the foods that we eat and all the other things that we actually consume, including things that actually get our stomachs congested and all that kind of stuff. But then, first of all, I'll talk about the digestion that is caused by the indigestion caused by the foods that we eat. What are the foods that cause indigestion? Foods that cause indigestion could be lack of drinking water. If you do not drink enough water or drink liquids, well, some of the liquids actually could simply cause indigestion or dehydration. Liquids like gases and thick juices. I usually tell my friends to actually make sure that if they're taking juices, to make sure that they dilute them to get them to take that thickness away and all the sugars and the other ingredients that are put in those juices. But anyway, some of the foods that actually cause indigestion could be foods like pastries, foods like bread and all that kind of stuff. But it's very important that you actually watch what you're eating, watch what you put in your mouth. It's very rare that people actually get to watch what they're eating or what they put in their mouths. What you put in your mouth is what you become. If you give the liver or you give the kidney something tough to digest, what do you expect of the kidney to do? The kidney has to work with that particular thing that you've given it. If you give it something that is very dry and tough to digest, obviously the kidney will have a hard time, or the liver will have a hard time to process that thing, that dry thing that you give it. So some of the things that we're going to use to make sure that our indigestion gets good are actually things like garlic, onions, beetroot, things that are filled with vitamin C. And besides the garlic, we've got vinegar, apple cider vinegar, very good for indigestion. It thins out all the foods that are clogged in your stomach, letting it go loose freely down without having any issues of indigestion. So vinegar is one of them. How do you use vinegar? There are different types of vinegar. You find that there are apple cider vinegar, the brown vinegar, white vinegar, which is the spirit. But then I would advise you to use the apple cider vinegar. It's much more natural. It's much more it's natural from apples. By the way, apple cider vinegar, like some call it ACV, is derived from fruits, which are apples. So I would advise you to take something like apple cider vinegar. Take a glass of water, half a glass of water, and then mix in a half tablespoon actually. It's not teaspoon, it's a tablespoon. Half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then stir it correctly. Just those are the two ingredients, just water and apple cider vinegar. Mix it together, then drink it before eating. 10 minutes before eating. It's very good actually to eat it right early in the morning, right after you wake up. Take that and then wait about 15 minutes or 20 before you take your breakfast, or you can even do it before you take your meal. Yeah, just do that. So anyway, that's one thing. Apple cider vinegar. The next thing is garlic. Garlic is filled with allicin. Allicin, which is very good at thinning blood, at the same time boosting your metabolism. So together with the blood thinned and the metabolism working fast, then with the metabolism, with the immunity and the metabolism, the digestion as well gets to function properly. So I wouldn't advise you actually to cook the garlic. Do not cook the garlic. Chew the garlic if you can, or add raw garlic. Use the garlic raw, because cooked garlic destroys that allicin, the strength that comes out of the garlic. It destroys it. So if you want really to reap the benefits out of garlic, use it raw. Take it and chew. But you see, the garlic, when you crush it, it stimulates that strength of the allicin, and then when you leave it there, then the allicin goes down. But when you crush it, allicin, I usually advise people to chew it if you can, but just because of this the bad smells and all that kind of stuff from your breath, then it's rather you just add it in your food, but better raw. Do not cook it. So those are the things actually that will help you with the indigestion. The other thing that will help with that issue could be things like what else now? Things like fruits, vitamin C fruits. Take oranges. Take things that could actually thin out your food and help with the indigestion. Drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of warm water, not cold water. Drink a lot of warm water. Warm water is very good for indigestion and doing a lot of things. So in case you really know exactly, in case you really want to deal with the indigestion, drink a lot of water. Drink heavy water. Drink enough. There's nothing like enough. The best times to drink water, you see, when you're drinking water, you do not just drink water. Water has got good times. For right times, you need to drink water at the right time. You didn't drink water the right amount and know exactly when to drink it. The best time to drink water, if you want it to work for you, is when you wake up in the morning. Right after you wake up in the morning, drink water, and drink a big glass of water before you eat anything, before you brush your teeth, because you've been sleeping the whole night. So you've been breathing and you've been exhaling moist. You've been exhaling moist. So all the water that you've lost during breathing, you need to replace it early in the morning before you do anything. So that's the best time to actually drink water. Then you do not drink water while you're eating. Do not drink water with meals. Drink the water before you eat or after you eat. Anyway, I think I'm almost passing where I live. Let me just go back, stay, so that we can actually end this video. But anyway, 3 things I explained. It's apple cider vinegar for indigestion at home. Apple cider vinegar, garlic, chew it raw, and then drink a lot of water early in the morning as soon as you wake up. Anyway, don't forget to if you're new to my channel, please subscribe below and hit the bell button if you want to receive a notification of every video that I upload. Yeah, so stay focused and stay tuned for my next one. So yeah, stay well. Cheers. Bye.